Kroger Field spring training in the final stretch. The Broncos will host the Nats next week for opening day. Top one, the Atlanta native and UGA product Gordon Beckham takes Gio Gonzalez deep to left field. Hasta luego, Beckham's first homer of the spring. Bryce Harper, Mr. Dependable, to show this man the money. RBI single to center. Daniel Murphy with Will scores from second. Nats take this one 7-2. There are plenty of question marks this spring surrounding Georgia football and all three phases of the game. The one least talked about, special teams. But adding a special teams coach from the Beamer lineage may be a good start for them.
So, potato salad is on your menu, I see, tonight. I bet you'd probably eat some eggs, wouldn't you? Eggs and cheese. Think about it like that for breakfast. Maybe a little strawberry jam on it. You done ate yourself so you can't even move, ain't you? Huh? Falling over. Drunk with food. Just walk in it. What about a grape? What can you do with that? Huh? See that grape. There we go. Can't get it. Just can't get a mouse around that. I know you can.
You got your username and password, man. If you don't remember shit, you're screwed.
Well, you gotta get a new one. If you don't remember it. Which is it you lost? I'm pretty good at them.
Can't figure this shit out yet.
He just jumped. There we go. Let me turn it off.